Fire in the hole! Let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I've got a mess of chicken wings that have been marinating in this stuff. This is Malibu Rum. This is Caribbean rum with coconut liqueur. 21% alcohol by volume. Good stuff. Those wings have been marinating in it in the refrigerator all night. So what I'm going to do is, before I get started with this, I want to tell you I got this recipe from a dude named Spinelli, whose YouTube channel is called All Wings Everything, and I'll put a description. I'll put a recipe in the description and a link to Spinelli's channel. You gotta go check out Spinelli, and you gotta subscribe to his channel and tell him the Rootboy sent you. Anyway, we're going to take some of this Malibu rum. I got 3 eggs here that I beat up. We're going to drop a little bit of that rum in there. Just a tad. That's supposed to be a tablespoon, I think. Anyway, you know I like this rum. This stuff tastes good. I got 3 eggs that I beat up. And I've got some all-purpose flour. And I've got my chicken wings that have been marinating in that rum all night. We're going to drop them in some flour. Some all-purpose flour. Then we're going to drop them in the egg like that. Then over here we've got some Panko breadcrumbs and shredded coconut, sweetened shredded coconut, and we're going to get that all over those wings and set them aside. We're going to cook them in the pit barrel. So this is kind of labor intensive, but I'll show you a couple more times in case you missed it. We've got this Malibu rum that they've been marinated in all night. We're going to drop them in the flour, all-purpose flour. We're going to drop them in the egg and Malibu rum mixture. Then into the Panko breadcrumbs and coconut mixture. Don't that look good? Oh man, these things look good already. I saw this recipe. I saw Spinelli's channel and I fell in love with his channel. His chicken wing recipes are awesome. So Malibu rum, flour, a little bit more flour on there. Egg with Malibu rum in it. You're starting to sense a theme here. Malibu rum. That's what this is all about. That Malibu rum is some awesome stuff. And there we go. We got another one done. I'll do one more. Then I got to get these in the pit barrel. I got to do these. It's kind of labor intensive. But let me get one more done. Malibu rum, flour, egg with Malibu rum, and some coconut and Panko breadcrumbs on them. Okay, let me get them all set up and I'll get them in the pit barrel and I'll show you what they look like. And then we're going to make a sauce for these. The sauce is amazing. So stay tuned. The wings are in the pit barrel. They're smoking away. And I think the smoke is going to add a little dimension to this. You know, that Spinelli doesn't get that because he cooks them in the oven. But that's just my personal opinion. Anyway, it takes about an hour to cook wings this way. And after about a half hour, I'll come out and flip them. In the meantime, we're going to make the sauce that we're going to put on this. So stay tuned. We're going to make this chicken wing sauce. I've got an 18-ounce jar of orange marmalade in my saucepan on the hot fire. And to that we're going to add a little bit of Sriracha. Respect the rooster, Dan. Respect it. A little shot of Sriracha into that orange marmalade to bring a little bit of heat to the sweet. And what this video is all about, Malibu rum. We need a cup of Malibu rum. That's about a cup of Malibu rum, don't you think? So what we got to do now is we got to get this hot and get it cooked down till it comes to a boil. We got to bring this to a boil. This is our sauce for our wings. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. It's beautiful. That Sriracha gives it a beautiful red color. Anyway, we're going to bring that to a boil. And after that gets to a boil, we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce to that. And then we're going to put it in a bottle so we can drizzle it on our wings. We don't want to do what Spinelli calls a shaky bakey, where you put the wings in the sauce and get them all sauced up. We got to drizzle it on there because we don't want to knock that coconut breading off of there. So let me get my sauce cooked up, cooled off, and put into a squirt jar. And then we'll bring those wings out. We'll squirt some of this on there. We'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. I gotta tell you, these wings are done and they're amazing just as they are. But you start drizzling this sauce on there, this sauce is off the hook. I'm not kidding. That Sriracha and that orange marmalade, oh my goodness. Trouble is it gets stuck in that little nozzle, you gotta keep whacking it. But you drizzle that sauce on there, and let me tell you what. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, can you see that? Oh, boy. I hope you can. I saved a little bit of it out in a dish. I gotta take a picture of that. Oh, boy. That is so amazing. That sauce is delicious, I gotta tell you. Let me get a picture of that. I'll go get a beer, and we'll get a taste of these. It's making my mouth water. They're so delicious. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Rootboy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer. A very strange artwork on this beer. This is this is called Collective Arts Brewing Company. The name of the beer is Surround Sound. It's a double IPA. Double dry hop, double IPA, Columbus, Simcoe, and Galaxy hops. It's says it here somewhere. 8.2% alcohol and a pint of ale. Let's pour that out. I can't wait to try this beer. It's got some funky artwork on it, but a double IPA, and I think it's a hazy. Oh, it is. Oh boy, it's a hazy double IPA, double dry hop. This is going to be one hoppy beer right here. And look what a good pour I did. What a good boy I am. Look at that beer. Holy crap. I got to get a better picture of that for my thumbnail. Yeah, that's, what's the name of that? Liquid Art Festival, Surround Sound. From Liquid Art Festival, Surround Sound. I need to do something here. Gotta do a little change up here so we can so I can do a nice thumbnail for Reddit. There we go. Liquid Art Festival Surround Sound, double dry hopped, double IPA. Look at that stuff. You want to talk about juicy and hazy? Lassa, we gotta sniff that baby. Oh my goodness. Boy, does that smell good. That's gonna bring the hops. Lassa, we gotta quaff the froth off it. Ain't no froth on it. We gotta quaff it, Lassa. Oh wow, that is beyond good. So juicy and hazy. Oh my goodness, I can't get over it. Double dry hopped, juicy and hazy. Surround Sound from the Liquid Art Festival, Collective Arts Brewing Company. I believe it's Collective Arts. Columbus, Simcoe, and Galaxy hops. This place is in Canada, Nova Scotia, I think. Not sure. Anyway, we got to get my wings over here and get a taste of them. I can't tell you how good that sauce tastes on those wings. Here, we got to move the camera up a little bit. That sauce is amazing. I can't tell you how delicious that is. Look at all that coconut and stuff on there. I can't wait to get a taste of this. Oh my gosh. I gotta tell you. Oh my. Spinelli. This is a winner, baby. Oh man. That is delicious. And I'm not just saying that because I didn't have lunch. I am starving, but it is delicious. I'm not kidding. Wow. That Sriracha gave that sauce just the right kick. Need a little bit more right there. Oh, that's delicious. Hey, babies, you know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go over and see my boy Charlie over at Pickles Barbecue. Charlie has been rocking the barbecue lately. And he's a good guy. Go check him out. Subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to All Wings Everything, where I got this recipe from Spinelli. He's amazing. His wings are amazing. And this beer is amazing. Look at that. Some juicy, hoppy goodness. Oh, boy, is that good. I really hooked it up this time. I got an excellent beer, excellent chicken wings. These coconut rum chicken wings are awesome. You got to try this recipe. Hey, Booger, if you don't do this in the air fryer, I'm going to tell Tom that you're holding out on him. So please, give this recipe a try. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but if we drink another beer like this one, wow, it's amazing. I can't stop drinking it. That's delicious. Those wings are delicious. The beer is delicious. Babies, I'll see you next week, okay? Bye.